And hey everybody, this is my review for the Pelican Maxim100. It's really stable, feels great. It's wonderful for just like doing what I'm doing, which is kind of just paddling around and enjoying the scenery. It's super stable. That's one of the things I noticed. I really, really like it. I feel safe in it. It's great. I would definitely recommend it. It's lightweight. It's only 40 pounds. And it was very easy to get on top of the car. Easy to carry to the water. Wow, it's a great investment. I'm really happy I got this. Really, really happy. And you know what? It's great because you can get away from all the chaos and just be by yourself. Away from everything. No COVID over here. Just a lot of nature. I saw some geese earlier. They're gone now. But yeah, really great. Highly recommend it. Love, love, love it.